what could be the value of this function as x tends to infinity? Infinity means the value of x becomes so large beyond measures. What is going to be the effect of this function? Since it's about infinity, so forget about the lower variable here, this one and this one. Forget about them because as x squared becomes, this is cubed. As x becomes larger, this one will not come close to it. So just forget about them. So what you use here will be limit of the function x tends to infinity of 5x cubed over 2x squared. Since the denominator is not up to this one, so you now cancel out now. So the function will now become as 10 tends to infinity 5x over 2. So as x becomes so large, let's say 30 billion or 30 trillion, is so large, and you multiply it by 5 over 2, that means it will just bigger than what you imagine. That means it will still tend to infinity. That is it. Think about it and drop the answer in the comment section.